Hey there, welcome to Rise and Excel. If you've ever held back from chasing dream, starting a business, or even speaking up in a meeting because you were afraid to fail, this video is for you. Failure scares many of us, but what if I told you that fear is not your enemy, it's your teacher? Stay with me until the end, because today we'll uncover how to overcome the fear of failure and start building unstoppable confidence. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs a dose of courage today. Let's start with this. Fear of failure is completely normal. It's that voice in your head that whispers, "What if I mess up? What will people think?" But here is the truth. The fear itself is not worse than the failure we are imagining. It paralyzes us before we even try. The fear of failure usually comes from three places. The first, perfectionism. Thinking that anything less than perfect is not good enough. Second, comparison. Looking at others' success and believing we can't match it. Third, past mistakes. Remembering times we failed before and assuming it will happen again. But failure doesn't mean the end. It means you are trying. It means you are alive. It means you are growing. Here is a powerful mindset shift. Instead of seeing failure as a loss, see it as a data. Every failed attempt gives you information. What works, what doesn't, and how to improve next time. Think about this. Thomas Edison made over 1,000 failed attempts before inventing the light bulb. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Oprah Winfrey was told she wasn't fit for television. Did they stop? No, they learned, they grew, and they excelled. Each failure was simply a stepping stone to success. So, the next time you stumble, don't ask, "Why did this happen to me?" Ask, "What is this trying to teach me?" Now, let's get practical. Here are 5 simple steps you can take to overcome the fear of failure. 1. Redefine failure. Failure is not falling down, it's refusing to get back up. 2. Start small. Take one small action today toward your goal. Each small win builds your confidence and weakens fear. 3. Visualize success and the lesson. See yourself not just succeeding, but also handling setbacks with the strength and calm. 4. Surround yourself with encouragers. Fear grows in isolation. Confidence grows in community. Find people who remind you of your potential. 5. Speak kindly to yourself. Your inner voice matters. Replace "I can't" with "I am learning how." Remember, progress, not perfection. Every successful person you admire has failed, probably more times than you think. But the difference is they didn't stop. They used fear as fuel. They took the lessons, adjusted their path, and kept moving. So don't wait for the perfect moment. There is no such thing. Take action, even if it's messy, even if you are scared. Because courage isn't the absence of fear, it's moving forward despite it. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who needs a reminder that they are capable of more. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me What fear are you ready to overcome today? Remember, let's rise together, let's shine together.